Hi and welcome to this video on fractions. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to find a whole that is divided into fractional parts, write fractions to represent shaded parts of one whole, identify numerator and denominator of a fraction, and express the fraction in words. Let's say your mom prepared some delicious brownies and you want to share them between you and your brother. If you have 4 brownies in your dish, how many will each one of you get? 2, that's right. What if you want to share 5? How many brownies will each one of you get? Each one will get 2 brownies, then you're going to divide the leftover brownie in half, so each one will get 2.5. When we divide the leftover brownie into 2 equal parts, we're going to get a half. Half represents part of a whole, the whole brownie. Because half is part of a whole, it is a fraction. So fractions are part of a whole. We represent half in numbers by writing 1 out of 2. When writing a fraction using numbers, the one number is the denominator. It represents how many equal parts in your whole. Remember, we divided the brownie into 2 equal parts, so the denominator is 2. The top number is the numerator. It represents how many parts you have. In the brownie example, you took 1 part and your brother took 1, so 1 is the numerator. In these figures, can you identify which whole is equally divided into fractional parts? That is, the parts should be equal. Well done, the square is divided into equal parts, also the circle is divided into equal parts, and guess what? The yummy looking pizza too is divided into equal pieces. Let's say I shaded some parts of the equally divided figures and ate 4 pieces of the pizza. Can you represent using fractions the shaded parts and the pieces that I ate from the pizza? Well done, I shaded 2 parts of the square, so the numerator is 2 and the denominator is 4 because the whole is divided into 4 equal parts. As for the circle, I shaded 3 parts, so the numerator is a 3 and the denominator is 4 because the whole is divided into 4 equal parts. Finally, the pizza, I ate 4 pieces, so the numerator is 4 and the denominator is 8 because the pizza is divided into 8 equal pieces. Finally, what if you want to write fractions in words? We have already seen 1 out of 2, we write it as 1/2. 1 out of 3, we write it as 1/3. 3 out of 4 is written as 3 starting from the top. 1 out of 4 is written as fourths. So we get 3/4. Finally, 2 out of 7 is written as 2/7.